Another thing before we continue to the models is AFM-20 has a 120 watts amplifier built in. You can copy any of the two outputs to the amplifier. In order to do that, there's a column over here says duplicate to amplifier output 1 and 2. And if you click on it, there's a list of analog outputs, and all the outputs actually, including the digital ones, that you can copy to the amp. Let's say I want to copy channel 13 and channel 14 to 1 and 2 of the amp. A green notification line on the output over here. There's two green notification lines, meaning the left is the left one over here on channel 13 goes to the amp as well as to channel output 13 on the output, and channel 14 as well, the right channel goes to the amp as well as the output itself. So this is how I copy the output to the amplifier. Please note it's after the process, of course. In the matrix view, I can see, and I also can click on linking. I can link from here and unlink, as well as, other than routing, I can link channels here as well. So everything I do here will be reflected in the main page as well. So I've linked all those channels and I see that here. And also the channels that are actually routed are highlighted. Another thing, in the matrix view, if I want to send to the amplifier, duplicate to the amplifier, in here there's an amp button over here at the bottom right, sorry. And when you click it, you can duplicate actually one of the output channels to the amp. Currently I've duplicated it to 13 and 14, and I have this green light saying it's copied to the amplifier output. I can set it to anywhere else from here as well. So see it now, I set it to 15 and 16. The same over here. When I duplicate, I can duplicate from here and from here. So this is amp 1, amp 2, and I can set it to any output I want.